In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable Siri to announce notifications. Enabling Siri to announce notifications enhances accessibility, safety, convenience, and personalization for users. It ensures timely updates without distractions, promoting safer interactions while driving or multitasking, and offers customization options for a tailored experience. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the Settings page, scroll down onto the Accessibility option. In this section, you will have to navigate to the very last option of Siri. On the option of Announce Notifications, make sure to enable this feature. When turned on, Siri will announce your notifications over the device's speaker. You can customize to which type of notifications you want to be announced. That's how easy it is to enable Siri to announce your iPhone notifications. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.